Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. We're talking suspension seats for the Cub Cadet mowers. This should work on ZT2 mowers, but this is a Ztx4 model. The dealer wanted 600 for the suspension seat. That was way too much. We got on eBay, we found a suspension seat plate. It was the same seat the dealer had. It was 170 bucks. If you want to come over here, I'll show you how it goes on there. So what you do on this model, it has a seat that can slide forward and back. You take them adjustable slide rails off of the seat, bolt them onto the bottom of the seat plate, and then you bolt the seat onto the top. We did have to have a couple spacers in here, that way the seat sensor could fit in between the two. But other than that, it's basically a direct bolt-on kit. So for 170 bucks, if you want to make your Cub Cadet ride a whole lot better, it's definitely the way to go. You can adjust the stiffness down here. One thing is this wire that goes down here for the seat sensor. It has just enough length to reach under there. And we had to put a couple little spacers in here to put a little bit of a gap so the seat sensor could fit. But, I'll put the part numbers off of eBay in the comments below so you guys can get one if you want to check one out. But it rides way better with this seat. So thanks for tuning in, guys. God bless.